When the piston moves up, the air in the cylinder starts getting compressed. This is the compression stroke. During this stroke, the upward moving piston covers the scavenge ports. At the end of the stroke, the pressure in the cylinder is in the range of about 80 to 90 bars. High-pressure fuel oil is injected into the cylinder in the form of fine spray before the piston reaches top dead center. This is the injection period. The fuel is injected before top dead center to give it sufficient time to mix with air, and the fuel is ignited. The pressure and temperature inside the cylinder increases. This is the combustion period. The combustion energy is imparted onto the piston, and the piston begins its downward motion. The gases inside the cylinder expand as piston moves down. This is the expansion or power stroke. The exhaust valves open before the piston reaches the bottom dead center. The piston uncovers the scavenge ports as it moves down. When the pressure within the cylinder drops below the pressure in the scavenge manifold, a fresh charge of air comes into the cylinder. An external blower is used to supply air under pressure for scavenging, as the air pressure is greater than the pressure inside the cylinder. This fresh air pushes out the exhaust gases through the open exhaust valve. At the bottom dead center, both scavenge ports and exhaust valve are open. Valve timing diagram depicts the time at which the valves open and close. The induction of air starts when the scavenge ports are 35 degrees before bottom dead center. The scavenge ports are closed at 35 degrees after bottom dead center. The exhaust ports close at 15 to 20 degrees after the closing of scavenge ports. The process is also called the scavenging, as the fresh air scavenges the exhaust gases. Compression of air starts after the exhaust valve closes. Fuel injection starts at 10 degrees before top dead center and ends at 30 degrees after top dead center. After top dead center, expansion takes place when the pistons move down. The exhaust valve opens at 50 degrees before bottom dead center and the cycle continues.